Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Capture More Combo. So let's get right to it. So here's everything that comes included inside of the box. There's a 64GB micro SD card with an adapter. Then there's a mini tripod and a battery handle. Let's start with the battery handle. This accessory is built to boost both the battery life and the grip of the Pocket 3. It has a 950 mAh battery that can extend the Pocket 3's battery life by up to 62%. There's also a USB-C port for connecting external audio devices and a 1/4-inch thread for mounting it on tripods and other support systems. As for the tripod, it's lightweight and easy to set up. I do wish it had rubber pads on the bottom instead of this foam-like material, but hey, it still gets the job done. Next, there are some DJI stickers, a Type-C charging cable, and a lanyard. Another mini grip extension here, but this one doesn't come with a built-in battery. And then there's of course the Pocket 3 itself. It comes securely fit in this protective cover case. The case has a nice rubber shell that's easy to grip on the go, and it can also carry some lenses as well. Now for the Pocket 3 itself, it sure does live up to its name. It's so small I just want to put it in my pocket already. Anyways, it has a very nice matte finish with a 2-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen with a resolution of 314 by 556. Pretty sharp looking display in fact, and pretty bright as well. It can get as bright as 700 nits, so using this outdoors has not been an issue. It's got a built-in speaker and 3 microphones. It's equipped with a 1300 mAh battery that has lasted around 2 hours of video recording for me. You can extend the battery life by dimming the screen, but honestly it lasts long enough that I don't feel the need to do that. On the bottom, there's a Type-C charging port, which takes around 30 minutes to fully charge the camera. Super fast in terms of charging up a camera. As for the camera itself, it's a 9-megapixel f2.0 lens with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and an effective focal length of around 20 millimeters. The sensor gives you better bokeh and low light performance, while the 20mm focal length is perfect for wide shots. Whether you're capturing landscapes or vlogging, you'll get crisp, sharp images with great detail and excellent color accuracy. This can shoot in 10-bit HLG and 10-bit D-Log-M. Not even my main camera can shoot in 10-bit. I do look forward to getting a camera that can shoot in 10-bit, maybe like the FX3 or something, but I was not expecting it from such a small camera like this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI also supports live streaming, and to get even more out of your camera, you can use the DJI Mimo app where you can remotely control your camera, so you can mount it on a car outside and you can still control it. That's a really good feature right there. You can edit your videos, use it as a monitor, and more. With Active Track 6.0, it allows the camera to automatically follow and keep a subject in focus as it moves, offering multiple follow modes like face auto detect and dynamic framing. This allows you to capture smooth cinematic footage with just one hand. With this camera setup, I found myself more inclined to vlog. It made vlogging more convenient and encouraged me to vlog, as it's quite a discreet way of vlogging with this setup. It's not too out in the open and it's super light. It just makes you want to vlog when you hold this, you know? But yeah, overall, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a great camera system for anyone that's new to vlogging, or for anyone that wants to have a versatile vlogging setup without the hassle of having to carry around a bunch of heavy equipment. Oh, it feels good to be vlogging again. I was thinking I want to go check out some airplanes and fish today. Looks like all these aircrafts are wrapped up. What a nice spec. It's so nice I can just quickly flip over the camera like that. got me tired. Had to cop one of these Pringles hot ones. First taste test. Not hot, but it tastes pretty good though. Extra flaming hot flavor. This one's gonna be fun. Getting sleepy now, but this is what the nighttime vlog looks like. You can't even see my face, but this is like super dark now, and I've been recording in 4K 60 the whole time, so yeah, this is the end of this vlog. Okay, so it seems like there's really no speed control in the swivel of the gimbal, really. Just this smooth. I'm trying to make it come down slower, but seems like that's just how it is.